Article 210.8, Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter Protection for Personnel. A listed Class A GFCI shall provide protection in accordance with 210.8A through F. The GFCI shall be installed in a readily accessible location. Informational note: see 215.9 for GFCI protection on feeders. For the purposes of this section, the distance from receptacles shall be measured as the shortest path the power supply cord connected to the receptacle would follow without piercing a floor, wall, ceiling, or fixed barrier. A. Dwelling units. All 125-volt through 250-volt receptacles installed in the following locations and supplied by single-phase branch circuits rated 150 volts or less to ground shall have ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel. 1. Bathrooms. 2. Garages and also accessory buildings that have a floor located at or below grade level, not intended as habitable rooms and limited to storage areas, work areas, and areas of similar use. 3. Outdoors. 4. Crawl spaces at or below grade level. 5. Basements. 6. Kitchens. 7. Areas with sinks and permanent provisions for food preparation, beverage preparation, or cooking. 8. Sinks, where receptacles are installed within 1.8 m 6 ft from the top inside edge of the bowl of the sink. 9. Boathouses. 10. Bathtubs or shower stalls, where receptacles are installed within 1.8 m 6 ft of the outside edge of the bathtub or shower stall. 11. Laundry areas. 12. Indoor damp and wet locations. Exception. Number 1. Receptacles that are not readily accessible and are supplied by a branch circuit dedicated to electric snow melting, dicing, or pipeline and vessel heating equipment shall be permitted to be installed in accordance with 426.28 or 427.222 as applicable. Exception. Number 2. A receptacle supplying only a permanently installed premises security system shall be permitted to omit ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Exception number 3.